So guys, today I am going to show you the mask effect on the character. Um, if the boy or girl is standing behind the chair, so how you can show this? She's not on the front, she's on the back on the chair. So I show you so it will be clear. Just focus on it. This is my canvas, this is my page. The first I am going to take the background. I search this school background and I downloaded this. I just make it big so it will be more clear. Still I am on it. Okay. See here now we have to take a character now. Suppose I choose one of the character. This is the character. So we have this boy now and we have to move. So for moving, we will take the animation. We will click on this plus sign. From properties, we will take position. For easing, we will take linear. So you see when I took this, so this two diamond shape are here. So first diamond side diamond, I have to choose the position where he will start, and the second diamond I will choose where he will go. So I hold the shift key and press right arrow, and he will go like this. Okay, I can extend little bit so the timing will be changed. So you can see now he's moving from here to there. Okay, so now I have to put the mask on it. I will put this mask in between these two shelves. So for the masking, what I will do, I will click on this plus sign. I will take the square and I will put between these two shelves because he has to cross this area. So I will just click, I will select this. You can zoom it to make sure about this. Okay. Okay guys, if you remember, so when I took this character, the boy, he was alone. Then I took this new action and I took this skateboard for him. So the boy is separate and the skateboard is separate. So first we have to make one. Yani this boy has this skateboard. So for this what we will do, we will click here on the boy and we will make the group. So we will right click here and make the group. So now this boy and the skateboard is the same. The last step what we have to do, we will select this boy, yani this group what we made it now, and this blue screen, this shape. We will select both of it and right click and click on mask. So once we will click on mask, so you will see now the boy is coming from there behind the shelf and he is going also there. If I extend this both of it, so it will, the time will be extended, so you can see the carefully. You see now this boy is coming and going there. Now he's not on the shelf. Okay guys, so this is one of the technique and very good feature in Creative Studio. So uh, I will make other videos for different features, and I hope you understand. If you have any problem, just ask me in the comment box. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get my new videos. Okay guys, so till the next video, take care, bye.